A whole glass wall rises to open this spacious retreat to the landscape of the American West, one of several inventive features incorporated by the American company Olson Kundig. The Bigwood Residence is composed of 2 cantilevering bars made of glass and steel, projecting towards the landscape. The rectangular volumes rest on a board-formed concrete base. The cantilevers are supported by structural concrete masts that serve double duty as fireplaces. The fireplace supporting the main wing warms the great room above, as well as the covered patio below. The upper-level fireplace is open on 2 sides to maintain the transparency of the space. The wings are connected by a steel and glass bridge that contains a sitting area with a south-facing wall that opens entirely. The wall is 23 feet long, operated by a hand crank, and counterbalanced by a large steel weight that rises 5 feet above the roof. The house is nestled into the hillside in Sun Valley, a resort town in Idaho. The 2-story vacation home offers panoramic views of natural landmarks such as Bald Mountain, Griffin Butte, and Adams Gulch. Earthy materials and a neutral color palette were employed. Walls, ceilings, and floors are clad in wood with the intention of creating a warm and protected atmosphere for the occupant, especially in a climate that can sometimes reach -20 degrees. The rooms are furnished with modern decor, ranging from leather sofas to metal benches. The lighting above the dining room table can also be transformed. Overhead, a pulley and solid steel counterweight raise custom light fixtures to further open up the space. Establishing a strong connection with the surrounding environment was a priority. Nature is welcomed at nearly every corner of the house, with expansive windows and wide swinging doors that celebrate the connection between the interior and exterior. It is a modern house authentic to the mountainous desert landscape. Therefore, it is robust, a style dubbed mountain industrial. Everything touching the earth is stone and board-formed concrete, and everything projecting out is steel and glass.